to Hedgehog Hollow. Today we have a new release for you, and we have new scissors from Tim Holtz over at Tonic Studios. They come in a 5 and a 6-inch size. Well, why are they so special? Now, they're designed to be haberdashery scissors. They're a titanium coated blade and they have a resistance to rust, but they're great for us paper crafters, for those of us who love sewing. Now, I sew and I do paper crafting, and I have a couple of sets. I've been using them for a while. Now, let me tell you why I have them in both of my rooms, because for me, they have a few different functions. Now, Greg knows he does not use my paper crafting scissors for cutting fabric, and he doesn't use my fabric scissors for cutting paper. He always asks me first what scissors he uses to cut different things. Now, I hope your hubby does the same, and there's a few things why. Now, in my paper crafting room, I have always a dedicated pair of ribbon and twine scissors. And the reason I do that is paper really blunts your scissors. So I like to have a nice sharp pair that is just for my ribbon and twine. It means I get a nice sharp cut, I don't get a dull cut, and it stops some of that fraying on my ribbon. And I've been using these for a while. I had them at Creativation. They were in that Tonic booth tour I did, and you can check that out in the top right hand corner if you didn't see it. Lots of fun things coming from Tonic this year for us. Some have been released, some still to come, but again, these have just been released. Now, let's dive in and take a look at them. I have also been using them for some of my fussy cutting because they have some really gorgeous details. They also come in these beautiful tins. Look at these gorgeous tins with the beautiful tape measures on. They've got these kind of embossed details on them. I just love these tins too. And of course you can see your scissors inside of them. So you open up your tins, and these are what your scissors look like. And you open them. They also have that nice squidgy handle that we're used to with our Tim Holtz scissors. Both sizes have that. And I know some of you didn't like the serrated blade, so you could use these as paper crafting scissors if you wanted to, if you didn't like the serrated blade option. And they have a really lovely fine tip if you want to use them for fussy cutting. And I have been doing some of that with them too. If you don't want to use the other ones, I've been having a go with these, and they have a really nice smooth cut on them. And just absolutely adore them. They just cut like butter, which is something I love about all of the Tonic tools. And of course they come in that beautiful black colour, and they coordinate with all of our Tim Holtz tools. So as I say, you've got two different sizes here. So I paper craft, I sew, I have them all around the house. Greg will tell you, we have our Tim Holtz scissors everywhere. They're going to fit in beautifully. You can use them whether you're a lefty or a righty. I've been using them both ways round, the same as our other scissors that we use. So many different things you can do with them, and they've got that lovely sharp tip on them too. So they also fit really well, particularly the small ones in the front compartments of your sewing machine. I did check that in mine too. And of course, if you don't want that, you can pop them back in their tin. And they've got that anti-corrosion on them and the titanium coating. So you can just pop these away, and they are going to look absolutely beautiful in your crafting space. So don't forget to check out the links in the video description for the latest place to buy these wonderful new tools available from Tim Holtz at Tonic Studios. And hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest Hedgehog Hollow videos. We are here every day with new products, tips, tricks, tutorials, hauls, and all of those fun things. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're excited about these new scissors from Tim Holtz too. And again, check out the video description for all of those links and some exclusive Hedgehog Hollow coupon codes. I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping! Bye!